But here's some of my takeaways from the movie. Number one, emotions are your first enemy during SHTF. SHTF means shit hitting the fan. So when society gets disrupted, emotions are your first enemy. You think the opposition or some other country is going to be your enemy? No, your emotions are your enemy. Emotions will get you killed. That's why I like to say, keep it unemotional today, if you can. And we talked several years ago about striving to be the stable stoic. Number two, women and children will slow you down or get you killed. I don't care how competent the woman is. Women will slow you down. Now, if you got a woman and children in your life, then you have to protect. Bottom line. But if you don't, the reality is a stealthy man is going to be a man who lives a long life if SHTF ever happens. Number three, there won't be many clear identifiers of who the enemy is when it comes to a civil war. The civil war that we had in America in the 1800s was, you could tell who the sides were. Blue uniforms, gray uniforms. A civil war now, you're not going to see colored uniforms as identifiers. What will most likely happen is that a military force will be put together by the government against the people, and they will be wearing military outfits. Everyone else is going to be jeans and flannel shirts and T-shirts and baseball caps. But then again, too, think about the past presidential elections in the past 20 years, okay, and how divided we are as a country. And the people bitching and moaning at you on social media, they would be your enemy as well, not just uniform people. If you end up taking sides with the people, there's going to end up being the people's army, and then there's going to be the government. Number four, cities will collapse fast. Cities, the shitholes that they are going to collapse fast. The quickest number of deaths are going to happen in cities. People aren't going to survive in the cities. There's going to be a free-for-all for food, for water, for first aid and medical supplies. It's going to go down hard and fast in the cities. Number five, you better have some trusted acquaintances before SHTF. Now, I do believe that the man who moves stealthily is going to survive better than anyone else. When it comes to long-term safety, literally, a few trusted acquaintances will be advantageous. And finally, the government is not your friend.
Oh, good rap, motherfucker.
The government has never been your friend.
Oh, good rap, motherfucker.
The government's goal is to grow the government and not grow you. You don't have to be enemies with the same people that your government is enemies with. Just want to let you know that. So when I talk to brothers from Iran, when I talk to Slavic, Russian brothers, Ukraine brothers, they are not my enemy. Are you going to go and fight and die for a government that doesn't give a flying fork about you? All that being said, it's an interesting movie. I enjoyed it thoroughly, and I want to watch some more reviews and see what other people picked up on it. If you saw the movie, put your comments down below.